Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Des and you're watching Des the Fashion Eater, and in today's video I'm going to review this Hourglass foundation in the shade Warm Almond. So on this side I have primer and on this side I do not have primer. It is basically 5 o'clock, so I guess I'll be wearing this foundation until 10 to tell you how it really wears around the smile lines, the eyes, just overall wear. So let's go.
Okay, so I'm beginning with my Urban Decay primer. You saw my face, it's looking very pasty. But anyways, I'm just gonna go over with my foundation stick and blend in circular motions and then just buff it out. This is what it looks like without any concealer, and then I'm gonna put concealer on it, but I just wanna show you what it looks like. So I'm putting on my NARS concealer in the shade Almond. It is my favorite natural looking concealer. They say that you don't need a concealer for this foundation, but you know, extra coverage. I'm going in with my Dose of Colors Fuego by Desi and Katie. Just gotta add an extra glow, you know, and that's it.
Alright, I'm checking back in to show you what my foundation looks like, and as a reminder, this side has primer on. I use Urban Decay primer I'm testing out, and then this side has no primer. I feel like they're both wrinkling on both sides, which, you know, if you watch my channel, you know that I always wrinkle even without foundation. It just has to happen. So this is what my oil looks like, and the time is, let me tell you the time. I put this on at 5. So I put the foundation on at 5 o'clock. It is 6:47, so it's about to be 2 hours, and this is what the foundation looks like. Yes, I'm oily, but I was also outside shooting for Valentine's Day, so this will give you an idea of what it's like going from outdoors to indoors, because you know sometimes foundation wants to play you. So I will check back in like an hour or two. Oh, I also wanted to say how my highlighter and my eyeshadow, like nothing's really sliding around. So that's pretty good. Like my concealer is still pretty much in place, and my line here, there's like no breakage from where I blended on my neck. So that's good. And we're back. Okay, so it is 11:42. I put this on at 5, so I've had this on for about 7 hours. I have the Hourglass foundation website up to see if the claims are all right. So let's take a look. So it says that it's a foundation and a concealer in one. I would say, yeah, it's a foundation and a concealer in one, but I like a little bit more coverage. So I went in with my NARS concealer that you saw on video, but if you're in a rush, you can definitely get away with it covering your under eye area. So that checks out. I would say this is lasting me. It is on my face. I don't know if I'd wear it for 12 hours or any foundation for 12 hours. Even on vacation, you're only throwing on concealer and like your brows, your mascara, but not a full foundation. You can tell how oily I am, and today's Valentine's Day, I took a photo with Jared, so I had to block my forehead a little bit. Like not all over, but I couldn't be shining, yeah. So yeah, you can see I'm still oily on my forehead even though I blotted just a little bit. I didn't blot my nose or cheeks or chin or anything like that, so you can really see this foundation is oily, but I have combination skin, so if you have combination skin, that should help you out. Like I don't have oily skin, but whenever I wear foundation, this tends to happen. I would definitely recommend it. It's definitely in my top 3 foundations that I love. So it says it has an innovative formula that adjusts to your body temperature to effortlessly blend into your skin. So I would say definitely blends into my skin. It was orange at first, and then it really did blend into my skin and blend into my exact color, because here's my chest here's my face. So to me it doesn't look like, oh my gosh, she's wearing a mask. So you gotta love that. It's not Halloween. The last thing that I want to touch on is that it is available in 32 shades. That's what they have here on their Hourglass website. And the last time I was on Hourglass's Instagram, which was this week, they did say that they added new shades. So I'm not sure if 32 is the max, but they have added more shades. So I hope that you can find your shade. If you're looking for a dupe, I would definitely suggest my Maybelline. It doesn't have as many shades, but my Maybelline Stick Foundation is drugstore, and I think it's $8.99, $10. Have a great day or night, whatever time you're watching this, and please subscribe, and thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.